Hey guys, it's Erica and today we are at Ikea. We're walking and talking because the line is crazy long. I don't know how long it's gonna take to get in, but the line is really long. I want to see what plants they have because I haven't been here in a hot minute. So here we go. Guys, we're in. It only took 20 minutes to get in. We made it to the plants. They have a lot of fake. Oh, these are real though. So they got these palms. Usually they have some really good prices. And this one is no idea. No idea how much it is. Here are the ZZs. I don't know how much these are either. They look a little bare. Like there's not a lot of stems in one pot, but they look pretty good. We love a good ZZ, nice and hardy. And there's also really pretty orchids. I love orchids. Phalaenopsis orchids only though. And they all have their little flowers. If you're gonna get a Phalaenopsis or just any orchid in general, I think it's best to look at the roots instead of the flowers, because the flowers can always grow back, but it's kind of more difficult if the roots are unhealthy. So try to find some luscious looking roots, preferably kind of green. If they look a little shriveled, that's okay. That means they just need water. But if you see rotting roots, then maybe that's not the one for you. Here they got some Dracaenas. These are cintho Dracaenas. They're kind of small. They don't really have any big plants right now. They usually have big plants, but and also I don't know the price. Okay, so actually I do know the price. This one is $24.99, and this is another big Dracaena that I don't know the price of. Maybe it's also $24.99. There's only one stalk in here. And there are also marginatas here. Okay, so the ZZs are only $10, which that's really good. So if you want a ZZ plant, just find one with the most stalks, or if you see a new little baby coming out, and $10 is really good because ZZs are so expensive. It's crazy. They have these little cute cactus packs. They have 3 cacti in them. I really like this spirally one, and I also like this one. They're in different, oh, there's a spirally one in this one too. So they're all kind of mixed and matched in here, so you can find the one that you like the combo for. It's so cute. It's $10. So it's like a little over $3 for each, and they have a little pot that looks cute. So that's nice. Very adorable. There's also cacti down here. I really like these. Down here they have Peperomia. They have Peperomia obtusifolia, Ginnies, and they're both $8. This variegation is pretty cool. It's not my favorite. It's not my favorite obtusifolia variegation. But the soil is dry, which is a good sight to see for Peperomia, because in my experience they don't like to be really wet, and sometimes places can overwater their plants. So I think it's better to see that the soil is dry rather than sopping wet. And there's more cactus. Some of these guys, they're called Himalaya Mix. I think that's what the label says, and they're $4. There's more little cacti up here. The cacti, these sizes are all $5 each. They also have little coffee plants here, and they come in a coffee mug. So that's cute, right? Little coffee plant in a coffee mug. Oh, goes like this. So these are $4, which I think is great because you're getting a mug and a plant. Golden pothos here. These are $7.99 each. And again, the soil is not super wet, which is a really good sign. That's what I like to see. They have got bromeliads for $10 and some ponytail palms here for $10 as well. Here's their classic little greenhouse. It's $20. I think that's pretty good. I wonder how many plants you can fit. I feel like it would be a lot better for small plants. So I don't know. And also their stands. That one looks like it would be a good workstation for like repotting plants. You know what I mean? Of course, they have a ton of pots, and Ikea's pots are actually really cheap. So kind of wish that I came here earlier so I could put my monstera in this pot. It's $20, so I guess it's not that cheap. But they also have this nice cream colored, which I probably would have preferred. And these come with wheels. Could be either a plus or a minus. They have cute little wicker baskets to cover a pot, especially if you have a nursery pot. I like to put them in these baskets like this. You could even keep this in here and just use it as like a little watering tray. So when you water your plants, the water, you don't have to take it out. You can just leave it in here and water it directly. Love that. Like I mentioned earlier, they do have a lot of fake plants. Honestly, this is pretty, like, it doesn't look fake. Like, you don't look at it and be like, oh, that's a fake plant. You kind of have to examine it a little bit. I think once you see the stem, you realize it's fake, but it doesn't look super fake. So that's good. I like that they have the eucalyptus because I really love how eucalyptus looks. And I don't know, my bathroom is kind of too dark to actually have a real eucalyptus tree. So this would be good because I love eucalyptus. If I had more light, I would definitely keep one in my bathroom. Here is the classic wall of pots. Some of these are even only $2. Like any of these colors here, it's just $2 a pot. Of course, they are cash pose. I'm sure you could probably drill it, but I don't know if it would crack. There's also some crassula for $8. It's in a really big pot. I don't think you can tell because there's too many clumped together, but it's a really full plant. I found this other plant shelf here. This is $75. I really like it. I feel like this would be a good one to put like outside. It's like planked so that if you have grow lights or anything, it will shine through, which I love. I get a lot of questions on where I got my plant shelf, and I have the Vitjo, I think that's how you pronounce it, and I have the white one. It's only $80, which is, I think it's pretty good for such a nice shelf, and it's really easy to put together and everything. They also have different sizes, like you could get just one side of the shelf. You could also get like half of the shelf so that it's shorter. I really like it. They also have it in brown and glass, but the brown is really dark, so it almost looks like a black color, depending on what aesthetic you have in your room and what you prefer. That is it for the Ikea video. They don't really have many plants. I feel like I've been here and they've had more plants before, but there's a pandemic going on, so it's not that shocking. But I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!